welcome back. My name is Summer and I am so excited to share with you guys this video today. I am going to be doing a bathroom makeover for a new design client. Her name is Rachel and she just moved here from Alabama. And I'm so excited. We're gonna actually be doing her whole entire space room by room. Today I'm gonna get started with the bathroom and we are going to do a really cool, almost like it's gonna look like wallpaper essentially, but it's gonna be a cool paint technique. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do this in your own space. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and help your girl out, please, and subscribe to my channel below. And I will link any items that we use in this space in the description box. I hope you guys like this video. It's gonna be really cool and I can't wait to see you guys try it in your own space. So check it out. After checking out Rachel's place, I knew I wanted to do a mini makeover in here. We weren't gonna use very much other than just changing up the walls, brightening it up, and freshening it up. I found an inspiration photo on Pinterest and fell in love with this idea of creating a painted wallpaper. This is our before of our bathroom. We are going to make it over and do our cool painting wallpaper technique on here, and it's gonna look awesome. So I'm in here in Rachel's bathroom, and currently the walls are this kind of gray neutral color, which is cute, but I wanted to switch it up. We kind of wanted to go for sort of a really fresh, little bit of a boho vibe in here. So I'm going to show you how to do this really cool paint technique that's going to look like wallpaper on the walls. So I'm going to start with my bottom coat, which I chose to do white. You could really choose which paint colors that you want to do. So my bottom coat, I'm going to just paint all of this white. I've already got my walls taped up, and then I'm going to use a stamp technique that we are going to create our little wallpaper. So stay tuned to see what I do. I'm in Rachel's bathroom and we're getting ready to do our stamp technique that's going to look like wallpaper. And how I'm going to do that is I've already painted the white on the walls. I did that yesterday and I let it dry for 24 hours just to make sure that it was good and dry before I started the next step. So the next step is I have these Mr. Clean Magic erasers. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this side of it as a stamp. So I'm going to put it in the paint and I'm going to stamp it. I'm going to just eyeball it equally apart, and this is going to look like wallpaper, and I'm really excited to see how it comes out. I was just using some leftover paint and wasn't super happy with the color once I got here with the white. It was just too light, so I added a little bit to it and I painted the little alcove there, which I think is looking kind of cute. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm finding that it kind of works best when there's not too much paint on here. It almost just I like the imperfection of it, so just kind of press firmly. I almost like that better. But it's looking pretty cute so far.